Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about how to do a delete query where we're going to actually remove rows from a table. So if we look at this Virginia plot table, we're basically going to go through and remove everything except where the county equals 1. And so imagine you have this database and you only want to deal with this one county, so you want to remove everything except that county. And so the first thing that we want to do is create a backup of this table because you can't go backwards once you delete these columns or delete rows. So what we're going to do to create a backup, it's simple. We just right click, click copy, right click again, click paste, give this a new name. Normally, this might be your backup under normal circumstances. I'm just going to call this test and I'm going to delete rows from this one. So we've got this test table here, and we want to delete rows that do not, where county does not equal 1. So we're going to go to create, we're going to go to query design, and we can add the table that we want to operate on. So Virginia plot test, which is here. I'm just going to double click it, and it'll pop up. Close out of that. So here's the table that we want. And again, we can open this again. We see we want to get rid of where county does not equal 1. So we want, when we do this, we want this table to only have county equals 1 in here. And so what we're going to do is go to our design tab and click the delete query. And now it'll change this to a delete query. And we want to add which column. So as you know, before you would like build which columns you want in your result. This one is actually which column do you want to use to delete rows? And so the one we want to use to delete rows is county. And you can see the criteria here. There's different options. We're going to use where. And so we want everything. So we want only the rows where the county does not equal 1. Those are the ones we want to delete. We only want to delete ones that do not equal 1. So we're saying delete rows where county does not equal 1. So you use that greater than, less than means does not. Now, the other option is we could say equals 1, and it would only delete the county where the number is 1. So we're going to do does not equal 1. And when we run this, we should end up with this table only having county values where the county equals 1, because anything where it does not equal 1 was deleted. So let's run. Warns us that we're going to delete rows. Yes. And then let's go to plot test, and you can see that county equals 1. We only have that one county of data. Everything else has been deleted. So that is a delete query.